Close your eyes and go to sleep. Lullaby and good night, little baby. I love you. Go to sleep now, little one, little baby. Lullaby and good night. You are mother's delight. I'll protect you from harm, and you'll wake in my arms. Baby mine, don't you cry. Baby mine, dry your eye. Rest your head gently to mine, never to part, baby of mine. Ooh, do do do, better than to love you. You look tired. Oh no, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just stay this simple, and nothing will desert you. Won't let anyone break your heart. And even though you want to, just try to never grow up. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just say this simple. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just stay this simple. Cool hat. Where'd you get the hat?
See?
How much was it?
$3.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of time. $3.
Good price for a hat. Did mommy pick that out for you?
Ronnie.
No, I did.
What? Ronnie.
No, mama did.
If I need another hat.
No, I bought you that one, baby, and the other hat. I bought you 2 Angry Bird hats.
I don't want to like this one.
No, I bought that one. I picked it out.
Uncle Ronnie.
Uncle Ronnie bought you a Paw Patrol hat.
Uncle Ronnie got me the rock. Angry Bird one.
Get your Angry Bird one that I bought you right there. This is another one that I bought him. Show it. It's cool.
Let's pick that up.
Angry Bird hats.